Hi guys, welcome to another video, and sorry I haven't recorded in such a long time. Yeah, you can't see that. So, I thought I'd bring it back with quite a good video, I personally think. So, I've made something. It's really, really good. And, I can't wait for you to see it, yeah. It is a little rocket. Well, it's a Saturn... Well, Apollo 11 or Saturn V or Saturn 5, however you say it. So here it is. Yep. There it is. A little rocket. See that? No, I'm just kidding. I'll get it for you. And yeah, this is it. Proper big. Look, it's right here. That's 100 centimeters. Well, and the top fell off. I'll show you more. So, look. So the engines, and the wings, and then it says USA, and then it also says, there's the flag, it says United States, don't know if you can see that, and you know the proper Apollo 11, or Saturn, whatever it's called, this is pretty similar because it has its own little spaceman. And also, look, I can do this. Pop rocket. Oh, yep. That's the engine. So then this can come off. Look. Can come off. Like that. And then it's just this. Then it launches off. And then this part can almost come off. Oh, and then this part can almost come off perfectly. Where did the other piece go? Where did the other piece go? Where did this? Hang on guys, let me just find it a second. So, and then this breaks off with this on top. It's like that. And then this part breaks off. And then this is the cool bit. So what happens is so it's flying around, yeah. And then this breaks off, so this part breaks off, but look, voila! This is the space shuttle. No, it's not the space shuttle. It's the thing that went to the moon. I forgot what it's called. Whatever. Then it comes off, and then what I've seen, which I haven't been able to do, so this comes out. And then all of this, like radio nonsense, like all this isn't there, and then the thing is much shorter. And then it comes, and then it like goes like that. So and then it comes off, and then it launches all the way to the moon. That's very strange, well. And then it goes all the way to the moon, and then. Yeah, and then it comes, and then it lands. So then this comes off and lands on the moon. I actually have a little bit which lands on the moon. Then this takes off, and then it comes back onto Earth, and then it deploys the thing. And also, you can like put that on there. Put these onto here. As voila. And then voila. And then even more voilas. Oh, voila. No, that's wrong. Oh, why are you breaking off? Oh, why are you breaking off? Oh, why are you breaking off? Don't ask. You can't. And then this connects. and then you can get this, and then you can, and then you can connect on here. Look, like what? I'll just move that one up, I think. And then voila! Oh, interesting. And guess how long it took me to make it? Yes, that's right. Oh, well, I don't know, but it took me 6 hours. It took 6 hours to build this. So, and it's really cool, because in the background I have like pictures of it, and there's loads of like Lego models, which is just so cool. And this I expect will be worth a lot, and I mean a lot of money in the future. I don't even know how much it was, because my sister got it for me. My brother got a Nintendo 2DS. So yeah, that's just going to be it for this video, and yeah, bye guys. Please, please, please subscribe. Yeah!